Hi, it's Nardi again, and I want to say that our journey through the challenges the Matuku Hūrepo faces shows community involvement is key to their survival.
If you want lasting change that's going to keep on going and hopefully even span generations, you have to involve the community. Something we talk about in the Forest Bridge Trust is it doesn't work when it's top down. You can go into a community, find out what they need, and then empower them to make the change and work together and give them the tools and the knowledge to make massive change to their landscape.
From the Great Matuku Muster to predator control, roadkill prevention, and wetland restoration, every effort, big or small, counts.
Community events like this are really important because conservation in New Zealand doesn't happen off in the mountains or the forest. It also happens in our own backyard, so everybody can play a role in conserving our biodiversity. Each individual can make a really big difference, and that might be having a predator trap in your backyard, or it might be looking after a line of predator traps up in the forest near your house. But really, everybody is a part of the story, and we can't really look after our biodiversity unless the whole community is involved.
Education also plays a central role, because we can't protect what we don't know or care about. A great example is how the Love Bittern project was inspired by Wendy's personal connection with a bittern named Terangi, who lives near her home.
We've been together for 5 years now, so he's let me into his world. He's got used to me as I've got used to him being there as well. And I feel like he's given me a blessing, a permission to go out and be the voice that I am for Matuku Hūrepo. I'm one of many voices. There's many voices.
Many are unaware of the bittern's endangered status, often underestimating its rarity and importance.
Because they see it around them, they don't realise it's so endangered and that there are so few. So they go, yes, we've seen a bittern. Yeah, that's okay. But they don't realise that that was a very unique experience, right?
To change this, we must reconnect the community with the Matuku Hūrepo.
Just getting people talking about the species, because at the moment bittern are still relatively unknown in New Zealand. So if we want to protect this species, we need people to know that it exists. Then we can get people to care about it and join us in the journey of looking after them.
Public awareness is such a key thing.
Yeah.
At the beginning it was hardly any people involved. Groups start to form because they want to protect a bird, and so since I've become aware in 2009, it's become a huge community effort beyond that time.
It's not just about one person, it's about all of the people of this land. There is a Māori proverb that goes, what is the most important thing? And the answer is the people. It's the people, it's the people. Same here.
Bitterns are beautiful, charismatic birds with the potential to become symbols of Aotearoa's wetlands through the right media outreach. The future of the Matuku Hūrepo is bright. By uniting our efforts, we can protect this incredible species for generations to come.
Long term, my dream would be for future generations to see flocks of these birds in the hundreds again, like past generations have seen. So that would be my dream for bittern.